it's about that time again when I redo my hair and bleach my roots and all that stuff. So yeah, I'm just doing a little intro and then I'm gonna go bleach my hair. I'm not gonna record it because, like I said before, it's just the same old thing over and over again, and I don't really feel like explaining how to do that again. So yeah, as you can see, there is some root growth here. It's not too bad, and honestly I usually would let it grow out a little bit more, but I have plans for this next color, so I'm doing it now. I'm hoping I don't have the same issue I had last time where I was worried about the yellow covering over the orange because it's, you know, a lighter color going over a darker color. This time I'm technically going darker again, so it should be fine. My other thing is the color I'm using, I'm actually running out of it. I did order more, but it's not supposed to come until later today. So I'm just gonna hope that the color I have left over lasts, or maybe I can mix it with like the yellow or something, or maybe I'll get lucky and the color comes here on time and it'll be fine and dandy. But first step is bleaching the roots, and I think I'm gonna do the same thing like I did last time, which is just right at the end just kind of run the bleach through the rest of it and to try to strip the color a little bit. And yeah, and then hopefully that will be light enough for the next color to hop right on there and cover everything. I do have to say though, I do really like this yellow, and I'm a little bit sad about letting it go and going on to the next one because I do really like it. But as always, I am also color crazy and ready to move on to the next one. So yeah, if you want to see the process, stick around. I'm gonna go change and get my setup ready and bleach my hair, and I will be back after that is done. See you in a bit. Hello, I am back. My hair is bleached. As you can see, it's very light. I'm very happy with how the roots came out. I did a good job yet again. Pat my back. I also ran the bleach through a little bit through the rest of the hair like I said I would, and I think it lightened it a little bit. It's not very like dramatic or anything, but it's funny, honestly, this is pretty close to the color I originally wanted when I was doing my hair yellow last month. Like a little bit more neon than this probably, but basically this. I think this is gonna be light enough for what I'm gonna be doing. So yeah, I'm dyeing my hair green today. Super excited, and I am using the Iroiro neon green, the UV reactive one. So excited for that again. I'm gonna do some fun blacklight makeup probably with that. That's gonna be really cool. Yeah, this is I really like how it looks right now actually. Like, dang, I almost don't want to dye over it. So the dye I ordered hasn't gotten here yet, so I'm just gonna hope that this is enough for what I'm doing. But I do still have the yellow that I used last time, and I might mix them together, and then if I have to, I can just touch it up later. But yeah, I'm gonna squirt this out and see how much is in here. Okay, so this is how much I was able to get out of this pouch. I like squeezed the heck out of this. It honestly, now that I look at it, it looks like it might be enough. I think I am gonna mix just a tiny bit of the yellow in it. Yeah, I think this is gonna be enough. We'll see. Also, I forgot how freaking amazing this hair dye smells. Anyway, I'm gonna get started. Yeah, let's do this. Okay, so I'm done, I guess. There actually is a little bit still left in the bowl. I did mix a little bit of the yellow in, and that yellow, I forgot, is a little bit more like liquidy or like more runny. So like together it made it a lot more like smooth to put on, and it ended up being just a little bit more than I needed. So yeah, I don't know, might just glob the rest of that on. But yeah, other than that, I am done. So now we wait, and then we rinse, and then we come back and show you the finished product. We are back with green hair. Oh my gosh. Wow. Okay, so to be honest, I really wasn't super excited about this hair up until I got dressed up and put my makeup on and did all this. Now I'm really excited. I feel like usually with some colors I'm like already super hype about them, but this green I was like, I kept going back and forth whether I wanted it or whether I liked it or not. But now I'm excited to match it with, like, you know, other green outfits and just like other fun colors, and oh my god, I'm excited. So anyway, it's super freaking bright, as you can see. There are some spots I noticed where it didn't take as well though. Like you can see this right here is a little bit more yellow or like a lighter green, and couple spots here too. It still looks cool though, and the different shades kind of look nice together. But yeah, oh my god, I'm so green. The eyebrows, it's funny. I've done these like rainbow eyebrows for like probably a year now, and most of them I'm like, I put it on and I'm like, I don't really think much about it. But these green ones, I feel like I'm gonna have to get used to them, because that's a little intense. But look how well it matches my new choker. I'm really happy with how this turned out, and I say this every freaking video, but it's true. Yeah, and I'm already like planning out a bazillion different like makeup ideas and just like different stuff I want to do. And this is a Blacklight Reactive / UV Reactive, so it glows, and I'm gonna show you in a bit. But I also plan on doing some really cool blacklight makeup with this hair, because I gotta make the most of it, right? But here's the little outfit I put together for this. My cute little black top and the skirt I made. The skirt obviously is a different shade of green. It's like an emerald green, but it's still green, and I don't care that much. It doesn't have to match 100% for it to look good, right? But yeah. Woo! I'm so excited. I'm so spooky now. I've been saying this the last 3 videos because like every single one of these colors has been pretty spooky. Like first I had the orange, then the like pumpkin-y yellow, and now this lime green. So spooky. Yeah, I'm officially ready for Halloween this season, and yeah, let me show you what it looks like with the blacklight. Yeah, So it looks really freaking cool and I'm really excited. Funny thing actually, so you know how I was saying that my hair dye is not gonna get here in time? I actually saw that I got a notification that I got here like literally right after I started dyeing my hair, so didn't really have anything to worry about, although you saw like I had more than enough anyway. But so my new hair dye came and I noticed something interesting. They changed the packaging. So this is the old one and this is the new one. So this is supposed to be the same dye, and you could see that they changed the packaging. Like the old one is like this really cool like shiny color, and this one is like matte. And to be honest, I kind of like the old packaging more. I did also notice they changed the cap, so it's I guess less plastic on the new one, so that's cool. I do like these ones because it's like a lot easier to grab onto, but I mean, I'm sure this will still work just fine. So that's interesting. And the back also looks a little different. The writing actually on the old one is bigger and honestly easier to read than on the new one. But I'm sure it'll work just fine, or well, I guess we'll find out next time I use this. But yeah, and same thing with the blue one. So I have a little bit of the blue one left over, and here's the new one. So again, it's supposed to be the same dye. They changed the packaging. I really do like this silver or like shiny one a lot more than I do this one. I don't know why they did that, but whatever. You know, it's what's inside that counts, right? As long as the dye is still good. I am gonna miss the old packaging though. I did notice though also on the new one it says made with 95% natural ingredients, and then like coconut oil. On the old one it says coconut oil and quinoa protein, but it doesn't say the 95% natural ingredients. So I don't know if that has changed at all. I don't know if they changed the like composition of it or anything, but they changed the packaging, and I'm gonna miss this shiny one. I almost want to keep this because it looks so cool, to be honest. But yeah, so that is it. As always, hope you enjoyed following me on this hair dyeing journey, and I hope you like this new color. I'm super excited. Oh my gosh. I did actually want to refresh the black because it's faded and it's more of like a dark brown now, so I might do that sometime, like off camera. I'm not gonna record that, but other than that, I am super excited to show off my new hair. Yeah, so thank you for watching, and if you like the video, please leave me a like and leave me a comment letting me know if you like my new hair. And yeah, if you're new here and you're not subscribed, I do a lot of these kinds of videos: hair dyeing, art stuff, fashion stuff. So if you like that stuff, hit the subscribe button and come back for more. Hope you have a nice day and hope you have a super fun time this spooky season, and I will see you on the next video. I'm super excited for this next one actually. I'm like, I can't wait. But anyway, see you in the next one. Bye!